Good day, sir. I am Minchman Wendell L. Balientos, BSMT, Section G2A, Balientos, Rule 6, Safe Speed. Every vessel shall at all times proceed at a safe speed to that the can take proper and effective action to avoid collision and be stopped within a distance appropriate to the prevailing circumstance and condition into account. Section A. By all vessel, the state of visibility, the traffic density, including concentration of fishing vessel or any other vessel.